Michigan Science Center. Today's demonstration is on yeast and fermentation. We can do a simple experiment to actually figure out how much yeast produces during fermentation. So they produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. However, the alcohol is kind of hard to measure, so we're going to measure carbon dioxide. So the first thing you need to do is have some warm water and add it to a test tube or glass. Then take a spoonful of yeast and add it. And then some sugar. Sugar is actually the food substance for the yeast. It provides them glucose. All right, and then kind of mix it up a little bit. And then to capture the carbon dioxide, we'll put a balloon over top of the flask, just like so. And you let it sit for a little while. And I do have one here. And as you can see, after a little bit, during the fermentation, it captures the carbon dioxide in that balloon.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah, and today at the Michigan Science Center, as part of our Fizz Science Weekend, we're going to be making some dry ice bubbles. And what dry ice is it's frozen carbon dioxide. Its freezing point is so cold that it's below negative 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's super cold. So whenever you're handling it, you have to make sure you're wearing gloves so you don't burn your skin. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick our dry ice into this flask with water in it, and we're going to see what happens. Dry ice into our pan. So as you can see, we have this smoke coming out. It looks like smoke. It's actually a gas. And it's cold to the touch. And this is a safe way that you can experience the cold of the dry ice. So what's happening is the dry ice is reacting with the water and it's turning into a gas immediately. So a cool way to play with this is with dry ice bubbles. It's just dish soap and water. We're going to stick it in there. We're going to make some bubbles. You can hold them, you can bounce them. And when they pop, you see that gas come out. It's pretty cool. So maybe next weekend you can head on down to the Michigan Science Center and play with some dry ice with us.
Hi, my name is Amanda, and we're here in Kidstown at the Michigan Science Center demonstrating some of our Fizz science activities. Today, we are actually working with bubbles and bubble shapes. So does the shape of my bubble wand determine the shape of my bubble? Let's try and see if we can find out. So I have a square wand here that I'm dipping in the bubble solution. And it has made a round bubble. All right, let's try our triangle wand. Once again, we have round bubbles. So why are the bubbles round when the wands are different shapes? Well, the reason behind this is because the air that I'm blowing is faster than the air on the other side, thus causing it to curl inward. So no matter what shape my bubble wand is, it will always turn out to be round. So why don't you be the scientists at home, create your own bubble wands, and see what kind of bubble shapes you can come up with.